Hello everyone and welcome back for another video. So today will be a bit of a different video. So it will be something different. I will talk a bit more about myself and about you guys. And also we will do a little bit of a cleanup on my interior. It is pretty clean, but we will do it anyway because we can and we have the time, of course. So let's get started. Before we really get started, I forgot something really important. Hit that subscribe button down below that you can see the videos that are coming. So now let's get started. So this is my 2019 CLA. I have it now for about 4 months or so, and in those 4 months we have done 7,295 kilometers with it. So this is the interior of the car. So here is the plastic black trim, which is a hell to clean, but we will do it anyway because, yeah, of course it needs to, but it scratches very easily. But I will show you guys how I do it. And then I also have these very nice Alcantara seats with the leather on the side, one piece, so a bit of a bucket seat. Really love them. And then on the interior we find some little hairs. I know, pretty minimalistic, but I cleaned it just a week ago or something, and I can't drive right now. But you can see all those hairs, and it sticks under your feet from the dog, and then you take it into the car and then it sticks to the carpet, of course. It's a pain in the ass to remove, so that's why I do it once a week or twice a week. Depends on how much time I have, of course, and now I have much time. So I'm putting you guys down for the 2001 time because I'm very bad at this, because yeah, I can't. My English isn't always that good. I try my best, but I think most of my subscribers know that my English isn't the best out there, but I try my best. And also, it is hard for me to film a video outside because in Belgium everyone stares at you because they aren't used to anything. But I wanted to talk to you guys anyway because I want to know what you guys want to see. It's pretty important to me that I can make videos for you guys with my own twist, of course. I think that would be awesome. We are growing, but I wanted to make this year count actually. But we are doing good anyway. So what I wanted to tell to you is why I started detailing in the first place. So in 2012 I bought this blue Fiesta, which was my first car. I bought it brand new. And I thought it was a fun little car. It had 60 or 70 horsepower, so it was a very slow car. It drove very good, but I washed it all the time because I love cars, so I wanted to maintain it, and I washed it all the time with my sponge and my Dreft. And then of course I ruined the paint because after 4 years I sold it. And I looked at the paint and I saw that it was horrible. So what I did, I looked some detailing videos and stuff up on the internet, and my first videos that I found were from Chemical Guys. So I became addicted to Chemical Guys. So let me know in the comments down below which was why you started detailing in the first place, because I'm very curious about it. But also, which were the first products that you bought? Also very curious about that. But okay, so I saw after 4 years that the paint was ruined, and then of course I bought a new car. So, and I bought this black Renault Clio, which is still over here. It was also a fun little car to drive, but I wanted to prevent that the paint of that car was ruined also. So that's why I started the whole detailing thing. And I bought some products from Chemical Guys, and then I started to try them, and I really loved it actually. So I did more research and bought more products and more and more and more, and it became a little bit of an addiction. And that's why I have this whole arsenal of detailing products now, and I can make videos for days if I want. And also I love the filming aspect, a lot of it, and I also love YouTube. So then I thought in myself why I wouldn't combine it, and then of course it started the channel Detailing Time, where you guys are now part of. So I hope you guys enjoy my content. because sometimes I don't have that much time to make videos because I'm very busy at work sometimes. Yeah, I really love to do it because it is my me time, and then I can forget about all the things that are going on in the world, and I can just focus me on one thing. That is, of course, it is now cleaning my car and making a video. But of course it takes more time than you guys can imagine. I think sometimes for the video of 10 minutes I'm busy at it for 4 or 5 hours or more sometimes, so it takes a little bit of time, and that's why it's not always that easy for me to do. And that's why it is also very important to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that like button to support me, of course. But if you have any questions for me, just leave them also in the comments down below, and I will happy to answer them. But can I tell anything more? Yes, at the moment I'm 24 years old, so not that old. I'm in detailing for about, the Clio came at age of 20, so I'm now into detailing for 4 or 5 years, so I'm still learning. But yeah, that's something I want to do also with the channel and with you guys. So that's why it is important to help me, but also help others. If you react on a video, someone else can read it and apply it to themselves. So that's why it is very interesting. I wanted to create a little bit of a forum. I wanted actually to make a video review of a product, and then you guys needed to answer in the comments down below if you ever used it or not, or what you think about it, if I can do something better. And it would apply for everyone. Everyone can learn from each other, and that's the most important thing about this channel. It's all about the positivity, about the detailing aspect, to learn from others. And also it is very hard to try every product, so that's why I wanted, of course, to make a lot of videos. I'm not a YouTuber that goes into detail about every product, because for me it is not necessary, because most of the people just want to use it and don't know everything about the product. They just wanted to see what the product can do and what the results are, and that's what I present to you, but not the full explanation. There are other YouTubers like Obsessed Garage, like Ben the Organizer, that will do it a lot better than me actually. So I think this will conclude this little video about myself and about you guys. So let me know in the comments down below what your first product was, why you started detailing. So let it all know in the comments down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video a bit, and then hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Ciao!